Hello! Today we are going to draw an Elmo, and we will start by drawing a little big circle with a pencil like I am showing, and then a little near to the top draw a small oval as a nose. So let's start drawing with the pen. Follow along me. Along the line, start drawing little wavy kind of line as shown. You can always draw with a pencil first if not sure, and then you can finalize with the marker pen. Coloring only along the lines to make it little dark, lighter. Coloring rest of the part with the red color. Now we will rub the color with cotton buds or Q-tips or even with your fingers to smoothen out the color. While using pastel colors, this process is necessary to smoothen out the paint. And you can keep adding more color if you find gaps and then rub the color again. See where we have done the orange color, it is looking little light, and the where it is red, a little darker. So we can always use light and dark shades of the same color to give the effect of light. If you like this video, please click the like button and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.